This is Maxene. She squeezes for real. Do it.
Ah! Oh! Dude, you're closer to my fingers. Ah!
It squeezes.
Oh, okay, let go. Ah! Let go. Ah! Let go. Okay. Hey.
It squeezes.
Okay, turn it, let go. Oh, God! Oh! Dude, let it go! Dude, that fucking nail's in my finger. Okay, Maxene, please, let go. Oh, relax.
What's she doing?
Dude, she squeezed my fucking finger. It fucking hurts. Dude, let go. Stop. You're not making it work.
Dude.
No. Dude, she put her finger right in my. Oh my
God.
God.
She squeezed it.
I can't, dude. Please tell her to let go.
Pull it.
Come on. No, she doesn't have the words. Come on, Maxene, please let go. Let's go. Please. I beg you, please. Okay. This is worse than her biting, dude.